Hello, hello. Here's an example as promised for vector analysis 2-dimension. The example was solved beforehand just to make the video shorter. So there's a system of forces and you're looking for finding the resultants. You've got forces in X, you've got 2-dimension analysis, meaning X, Y. X, sum of the forces in the X, positive to the right. Don't forget the summation notation. Don't forget to put the subscript for X because you're doing the X component. F1 cosine, if you do this kind of like trigonometry's analysis, where you've got cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Here you've got sine because it's reversed. So you could either memorize it as the closest cosine, the further sine. Don't forget, pay attention to your positive and negative. That's why we're doing positive to the right. So F2, F3, they're a projection on the negative x-axis. And similarly with y, 1, 2 will be up, so that means positive, positive. Don't think about it that much when you want to do this, when you did do some of the forces in the x right, then it's going to be easier. F1, F1, cosine, I don't have to think a lot. It's not going to be tan, it's not going to be anything except sine and cosine. So if I've done cosine, I've got to do sine, and so on and so forth. Don't forget that we have W. Pretend that's your weight. You're holding something in your hand like this. Then, physics 1, I need the resultant. So sum of the forces in the X, sum of the forces in the Y. I've got Ry, Rx. And I know many of you will ask me, what is the answer? Well, if I hypothetically put 2 kips, 1 kips, 30, I don't like 35 here, and so on and so forth, that's just piece of cake. Just plug and chug numbers on your calculator. Then you've done this part, squared whatever that answer is, square whatever this answer is, and then that's going to give you the answer, the resultant. I put hypothetically 2.03 kips. Again, that's not to the kip. That's just a superscript for just, structural engineering used to do this. And then tan theta, here is your theta, here is y, here is x, here is your resultant, just Pythagorean theorem. Ry over Rx, solve for theta, that's going to give you the answer for theta. And then here's your final answer, box it, and you should be good to go for this particular problem. That is it for vector analysis 2-dimension. Next time, over the weekend, I will be explaining 3-dimension analysis. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.